Hello everyone, on this video I would like to show you guys one of the smallest drones ever you can buy. This is so small that it can fit in my small hand easily. You can see the drone inside the box, and the box is also the control. And now let's take a closer look at the drone and you'll see how small it is. Let me take it out and put it aside to different objects. And I'll show you guys how it's fly. The drone is very small, so it is perfect to fly inside of the house. You can show it to your friends. And if you're looking for a drone like this, I hope this video help you make a decision. And finally, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel.